Hello guys, welcome back. Let's plan the week of October 23rd. Time is going by way too fast for me and I don't like it. But we are using another kit from CaressPress. This is the Booze and Bats. This dog is everything. This ghost pattern is so cute. So this is the Essentials kit. And how good is that black bottom washi gonna look with the Disco 15mm washi? It's gonna look spectacular. It did come with these extra boxes. And then I did purchase the tall box add-on. And I am using a Halloween foil bundle in sparkly, no, just hollow. I swear there's a page of header overlays missing. I could be wrong. Who knows what I did? So yeah, let's put this down and then we'll come back and do the day by day. Hello. Usually I would say good morning. However, it's 5:41 p.m. I didn't realize my husband had such an early hockey game. I'm mad at the world about football, so I'm just going to do my plan with me right now. maybe I can edit this tonight too, and then I don't have to do anything tomorrow. Because we have a busy week at work. So, you know, if I could be productive now, JK. We know that's not going to happen. Put my phone over here. I just have a random battery sitting out. I don't know if that's dead or charged. Any hoozle, on Monday, we filmed and we had coffee and then we went to work. Ooh, I don't know if that's gonna fit. I think coffee's gotta go on a little thing. Or film. Nah. Let's do this. Apologies if you can hear football. It is on for the dog. I will resume watching football. I needed a minute. Too much space. So yeah, this Monday was more of the same. The huge. But I did have to run errands after work because we needed to send some gift cards to a client. And then I walked home and I, of course, chose to wear only a... That's crooked. I hate today. I absolutely hate it. I'm 0 out of 10, not a fan. Is this like what the rest of the week is going to be like? Because if so, I would like to unsubscribe. I don't know why the TV just got dead quiet. It's usually not a good sign when that happens. The Niners also played on this day, and that was infuriating because we lost. And I just would like to state that I have never been so thankful for a bye because I don't even want to watch my team play next week. I think we all need to just sit in timeout, think about what we've done, and come back and be better people all around. So this is from the foil bundle, and this is from Hannah. Planner Monkey Co. and Carly Plans. That is Paper Bits Co. Foil bundle. Is SBC. I just blew my nose and I already have to blow my nose again. Run Errand script is from SPC. Football is from SPC. And the Niner Game Day script is a custom from Carly Plans. And then I have this, so you might be able to hear the heat turn on. And if you do, you'll notice that it is not as obnoxious as the air conditioning because we're officially in heat weather. This alarm clock is from the foil bundle to mark going to bed early because I was a good girl and I got up on Tuesday and I went to the gym. But this was also the beginning of Bree's new favorite thing, sitting up in the middle of the night, panting, staring at us, and then getting as humanly close to us as possible. It's weird. It's weird behavior. So we were just a little bit worried about her. The vet did call us and we booked an appointment. She is going on the Saturday. You'll see that here. And then, of course, work. I'm going to have to cut this because I've got 4 things. I don't love how that looks, but that's what happens when we got space issues. My husband did have a hockey game this night, so I got the house to myself. Oh, nope. That's not what this was. Okay, so I went to work and then we went out for a coworker's birthday. I don't think that that's going to fit either. You know what, with this plan with me, okay, this is just going to be a mess, but here we are. So I stayed until 5 o'clock and then we went out for dinner for a colleague's birthday, which was yesterday in real time. We did it under the guise of a girls' night out, just at a local restaurant not far from our office. Just because, like, Shireen doesn't drive, I don't drive to work, and I wasn't going to make Jason come and drop the car off and then walk home in the rain, because you obviously can't take the dog on transit. I mean, he could take an Evo, but they're a hot commodity around 5 o'clock. That does not look good, but here we are. So we went out for Greek dinner. Jason did come and pick me up because it was absolutely pouring. And it was pouring out of like absolute nowhere. When I looked at the weather in the morning, like I went to the gym and then I got ready for work. I looked at the weather before I walked out the door so that I picked the right jacket. And it said there was a chance it was going to rain. It was mainly going to rain in the morning. I looked outside. It was like clear. Just like high clouds. If you live in the Pacific Northwest, that is basically clear. So I was like, okay, well, I'm just going to wear my flannel jacket because it says that there's like a 40% chance that it's going to rain this evening. Yeah. I got to work and like the heavens opened and I felt like it rained for 40 days and 40 nights in one day. So that was just, a wild adventure. So I was wearing like flats. I didn't have a rain jacket. So Jason came and picked me up because he is a gem. And then I brushed Brie this day. And there are now officially, as of this day, snow on the local mountains. Yeah, that's right. October 24th. And there's snow on the mountains. On the local mountains, like the mountains that are a little bit higher up in the passes. That's normal. All right. I'm not even gonna worry about this. We're gonna pretend that I am okay with absolutely everything that is happening here right now. So I placed an espresso order this day. Obviously we did the coffee and YouTube while getting ready thing. I did edit and upload a plan with me. This is going to be way out of whack, but that's just the way it is. Our elevator was still broken. And as of right now, it is absolutely still broken. So yes, we have been without an elevator for over a week now, which is just lovely. All right, well, we're gonna have to cut this box too. I just feel like nothing is going correct in this plan with me, and I am not here for it. You know, sometimes that's just not the way the cookie is meant to crumble. I'm just gonna switch stickers because I've had it. I did organize my stickers this day because I got new ones. This plan with me is a gong show. So for the elevator, still not working. Just have this little leftover from a Scribble Prints Co. foil bundle. Placing my Nespresso order, I have that heart, also a leftover from an SPC foil bundle. That is from Planner Monkey Co. And Carly Plans. I need to order custom Nespresso order stickers. So foil bundle, foil bundle, foil bundle, Carly Plan or Planner Hannah. Foil bundle, Carly Plans, foil bundle, because of course then we watched some Real Housewives, which is from Carly Plans. I believe it is a custom. Here's hoping the second half of this week goes slightly smoother. And if I know myself, the answer is probably not. Thursday, coffee and YouTube in the morning, and then I did tidy the kitchen, and then I went to work. Nope, I already feel like I don't like this. I don't even know if I'm going to put this plan with me up. This is a disaster. So yes, then I went to work. I think actually for the first time this week I might have actually made it to work on time, so love that for me. And then I went for a run, and we still had no elevator, so even though I died on my run a little bit, then I had to come home and take the stairs. And I understand that is a privilege for me because I live on a floor that you can't access unless you have a key. That is my strata privilege. I'm well aware. But my God, Richmond elevator, please fix goddamn elevator. Those are from the foil bundle. And then that is from Linner Designs. Foil bundle. My run, I have those sneakers from Carly Plans and a run script from Planner Hannah. I have this Kisma from Glam Planner for the elevator stitch. And then the football icon and the football script are from Planner Hannah. TGIF. I believe this was the first night that Bree did not do her weird panty thing. So we actually felt like we got some sleep, so that was nice. My coffee before I go to work. I'm gonna have to turn this label into a little thing. I don't even know why I pull stickers, honestly. We'll use that for coffee. And then we got this little ghost box to mark work. Whoop. So we got that to mark work. And then we didn't have any more prepped lunches, so I had to order lunch or go get lunch. I ordered lunch because I'm lazy. And I got ramen because my sinuses, this weather is not agreeing with me at all. All right, well, I guess we're just going to mark this. Yeah, this weather is not agreeing with me at all. My sinuses I do not take well to big temperature swings. Whether that's from, jeez, I didn't know Jason had a dishwasher. It's gonna ding again. There we go. So I ordered spicy ramen. And it was actually spice level atomic, which I have ordered before, and it has not been as spicy as I would like. And usually that's because I don't order ramen to go. I usually will sit in a restaurant unless I'm sick, in which case it doesn't really matter because I can't taste anything usually when I'm sick. Because, you're all stuffed up. This was like actually Ashley approved spice level. And I'm here for it because I love spicy food. Foil bundle, Planner Monkey Co. Foil bundle, Planner Monkey Co. Foil bundle, but old from SPC. Foil bundle. This is to mark me and the house to myself. So on Saturday, shocking turn events, we still had no elevator. And somebody was moving, so that's fun. But in the morning, I was up at 7:30. So I did some solo coffee on YouTube, and then once Jason was awake, I just cleaned the kitchen. Oh, I forgot to pull a sticker for physio. Shoot. Got that. And of course, now it's all messed up. I wonder if I should just use our regular little thing instead of the big little thing. Let's do that. Yeah, this is for cleaning the kitchen. Great, now it looks like my camera's about to die. I just put that down wrong. Oh my Lord. This is at the bottom for Breeze Vent. And then this is supposed to be right here for physio. Because I officially now have a physio approved plan. And then after Bree's vet visit, Jason want to go check out Fisker is here doing like test drives of their brand new electric vehicles. So of course we did that. And then we got home in time to watch the Whitecaps, and unfortunately they did not win. But we did eat nachos, so, you know, it was a pretty solid day all around. Planner Makiko and Carly Plans. Both of these are Carly Plans as well. That's blank for right now because I didn't pull physio stickers, which I find odd. Leash from Carly Plans. I got this little character gal from Beneva Creations. Soccer ball is from SPC. And then the nachos and the accompanying script are from Carly Plans. I'm going to change my battery. And we're back. All right, Sunday. Another jam-packed day. This is today. I got up and I went for a run, and I went for a 10-kilometer run, which is my longest run since the marathon. And I still feel totally fine. I'd like to know why my body couldn't do this while I was training for a marathon, but whatever. I would just like to open fantasy because I have like a very slim chance at winning this week, and I would just like to see my dreams get dashed. He's got Keenan Allen. At some point, Keenan Allen is going to start doing something. I will lose. But it's been a weird ass day of football. So, I mean, anything is possible. Except that. Jason didn't place a grocery order, so he had to go get groceries like a little peasant. I did run into the store to grab Epsom salts because obviously Sundays call for a bath. And just watched the 49ers lose. So, you know, that's fun. We're on a 3-game losing streak. I could possibly have a better record than my own football team at the end of tonight. And that's just crazy talk because I suck at fantasy football so much. That croissant is from Beneva Creations. And the morning coffee script is from Carly Plans. I just got this little shopping bag from SPC, as is this shopping script, which is like hella old. For cleaning, I have that little gal from Mick Plans and a cleaning day script from the foil bundle. Foil bundle. Foil bundle. And foil bundle. This bath time script is from Carly Plans. I got this little munchkin because that's actually how I feel right now. And a Niners game day script from Carly Plans. And for Jason being at hockey right now, which means I have to make dinner. I have this little pig for McPlans and then a hockey script from, that one is from Planet Hannah. I gotta find my physio stickers, and my stickers, even though I just organized them, still seem somewhat not organized. And I am fully aware that that is a me problem. Okay. So there's a physio script. Oh. Actually, because this was more of a strength sesh, let's not use that. Let's put down the physio script. And then we can use like a dumbbell or something. Gimme. Where are my dumbbells? Why is everything today so difficult? Okay, found a little McPlans pig with a kettlebell. It's good enough. And thus, my friends, concludes this gong show plan with me. I probably should have just waited until tomorrow because I am clearly in a mood and I just feel like this entire thing was not, I should have just waited. It just wasn't my time. I should just be sitting on the sofa with a glass of wine watching football. But at least it still looks cute. So all of the shops that I used will be listed below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done so. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.